is Anaga, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made my Ganpati pedestal. So for the materials, you're going to be needing 2 boxes. This is like the size of the box that would be ideal, but you need 2 of them. You need one big one and one smaller one, and then you're going to be needing some decorations, so like flowers. I'm using these beads thingies, and you can also use ribbon if you want to. And to secure all of that, you're going to be like needing duct tape or just normal tape, and you can also use hot glue for all of it. And then you need a canvas for the background. So this is my canvas. I covered it in red cloth, but you don't have to do that. You can just paint the canvas your preferred color. And if you're doing that, you should do that before you assemble everything. And so first, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking my boxes, and I've already wrapped them before. So this is my big box, and this is my smaller box. And when you're adjusting the boxes, you should leave a little bit gap in the back so your canvas could fit. You can also measure it with like your canvas right here. So mine is like that much, so yeah. So what I'm going to be doing is I have some ribbon here, and I'm going to be attaching it to the middle of these 2 boxes. So I'll do that, and then I'll show you after. So I put the ribbon in between these 2 boxes. It kind of looks like a passageway. And then I want to make like two like flower pots, look like flower pots besides this box. So I filled up these cups with rice in them, and I filled up 2. I painted the cups. They're just tiny cups. The preferred color that I want to, and then what you're gonna do is just take your flowers and push it inside so it looks like a flower pot. You can paint it the traditional color or paint it like different colors. I just painted it different colors, and just design them how you want to. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to use my canvas, and what I have these like bead things, and I made like hooks on them so you can just hook on the canvas, and it'll look nice like it's falling down. So I'm gonna be doing that, and I'll show you after. So this is my final product. Of course you can add like more decorations to the pedestal or the canvas, but this is what I made, and I hope you like it.